Okay, a little refresher on geometric series. General equation for geometric series for any term a sub n. So if I want the fifth term, I would do a sub 5. It's a sub 1 times r times n minus 1. A sub 1 is the first term, and r is the multiplier in a geometric series. So it's important to be able to find the r first. So here's a simple example, 2, 4, 6, 8. This one's obvious, and you might know that it's multiplied by 2. But I like to see that you solve for the r, and here's how to do it. You take the first term times some unknown r equals the second term. And when you solve that, you get r equals 2. Now try it again for another term. So how about this one? 8 times r equals 16. I better come out with the same r. Divide by 8, r equals 2. So good, I know that 2 works. I test it. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. It works. So that is how to find the r. And so since there's a constant r, I know that yes, this is a geometric series. All right, is this next one a geometric series? Well, let's see if there's an r. If there's an r, it is. So minus 1/3 times r equals 1/9. How do I solve this? Multiply both sides by negative 3 over 1. So r equals negative 3 over 1 here, and I get r equals negative 1/3. So the r is negative 1/3. Let's test it. 1/9 times negative 1/3. Negative 1 over 27. Negative 1/27 times negative 1/3. 1 over 81. So there's how I can find it by multiplying by r. I can also do a test. The third term is negative 1 over 27. What is negative 1/3 to the third? I could figure that out. And I get negative 1 over 27. So I tested the formula also. And you could test the formula here. What's the fourth term? 2 to the fourth. Is 2 to the fourth 16? Oh yeah. So there's how to identify a geometric series. Find the r and test the r for a few terms. Okay? And once you have the r, you can write the formula, right? It's the first term times the r to n minus 1, or the term that you want minus 1. So if you want the fifth term, it would be 5 minus 1, so it would be r to the fourth. So the fifth term of this would be the first term times the r to the 5 minus 1, which should be 2 times 2 to the fourth. 2 to the fourth we know is 16, so 2 times 16 is 32. So the fifth term would be 32. And you can do that for any term.